What? You shake your head?
I don't want to get copyright.
Did you say?
I don't want to get copyright.
Copyright?
Okay, so what do you think life was like before the fall? I mean, we've seen pictures of open land as far as the eye can
Hey, I'm
see.
recording.
Oceans incomprehensible in size that our grandparents would do their best to describe.
I thought you just trying to find a soft spot.
No, I'm recording in nature. I got the tree all the way over there. Like all the way
The
over
one
there.
on
That's the
top?
one that's the one you see in the camera.
The one in the middle?
Yeah, I think if that's what you see. I mean, that's what I'm seeing.
Oh, you didn't bring us back no snacks?
What do you want?
I don't want nothing sweet. What? Well, shit, I don't know.
Bae.
Oh,
Oh my God.
you wanna make me a bologna sandwich?
What? That's a big deal you asking.
I'm asking.
I don't know what that is.
Okay, forget.
We don't even got bologna.
Not bologna, but we got the ham sandwich and stuff like that in the containers.
We didn't grow up around the time of bologna.
You know the ham sandwiches?
He know it by lunch meat.
The lunch meat?
Oh, yeah.
You wanna make me a lunch meat sandwich?
Yeah.
The whole way, you must get the ingredients. I'm about to tell you.
You gotta be messing up on the camera.
But you want a sandwich?
No, he does not know waitress, babes.
Okay. Forget it.
What is he chewing on?
Oh my
Bumpy
God.
grass.
No. Look. Look, Dada.
They asked for something little, not big, because I don't know what you're thinking right now.
What you think? Man, I almost lost in the fridge, man, like that, for real, for real.
It's a lot of things. I think that's what you call overwhelmed.
They already ate all the apples.
There's like 4 apples.
I ain't seen them.
4 apples out of
I don't know.
how many apples? Y'all just don't know how far this tree is that we're looking at right now. It's very far. It's just nice. It's like y'all watching Discovery Channel right now. A bootleg version.